Hello everyone, welcome to Java Age. Today I am going to show you how to install Tomcat 10 with Java 17 on Windows 11 operating system. If you don't have installed Java 17 on your system, then go to the video link in description. I assume that you have successfully installed Java 17. So to install Tomcat 10 you need to open Google Chrome, search Tomcat 10 download. Click on this link, click on Tomcat 10 and in binary distribution click on Windows Service Installer. Apache Tomcat 10 has successfully downloaded. So now I am going to open downloads folder. Open the Tomcat 10. Click on yes. Click on next. Click on I agree and check the host manager. Click on next and default server shutdown port is -1. I am going to change 8020. You can set any port number and connector port 8010, and here you need to set username and password. I am going to set as root. Click on the next. Tomcat 10 requires Java 11 or later version. I am going to install it with Java 17. So I am going to click on JDK 17. Okay, click on next. Here is the destination folder. You can use default destination folder, but here I am going to set my own folder as a destination. Now click install. It takes some time. Tomcat 10 has successfully installed. So uncheck this run Apache Tomcat and show readme. Finish. Next step, go to the destination folder where your Tomcat has been installed. Go to the bin folder and here open command prompt. Here you can see in Tomcat 10 bin folder I have opened command prompt and here type startup to start Tomcat. Now our Tomcat is running on 8010 port. So I am going to open this port, localhost 8010. Here you can see Tomcat server is up and you can go to host manager, sign in. Here you can see your host like localhost and everything like application you are running on Tomcat. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.